Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to replace Huawei P20 Lite broken glass replacement. I'm going to replace with this brand new. Just follow my videos. Thank you so much. So all you have to do is just heat it up at 160 degrees with heating gun or hair dryer. After heating up, just find a nice place to just insert this blade inside. Make sure don't go too much inside or you're going to damage the flex cables. Okay, so nice and gently. You see my friends, look, it's very simple. So after doing this friends, after removing the back, make sure there is a flex cable for the fingerprint. Nice and gentle. Yeah, that's it. That's it friends. Nice and gentle. Keep patience, don't rush. If you rush, you're gonna break the other parts, so you have to be careful. Okay, so all you have to do is nice and easy. It took 1 minute to remove the glass friends and the home button. After removing the glass, make sure you need to use this glue to give extra bonding for the back glass and the housing. So all you have to do is make sure, keep patience, and all the way around each and every single corner. Make sure don't touch the camera lens and any other parts of the phone. You have to be very patient, my friends, very patient. Okay, as you can see, I'm nearly finished. All right, okay, this is step 4. And now with a lot of patience, hold this together. Okay, make sure, check each and every single corner. Look at this friends, look, I'm gonna make this phone like a brand new now. Look at this, and I'm gonna sell it for 20 pounds. Okay, after this all you need is masking tape, one in the middle and the next one here. The other one on the top, the last one at the bottom. Okay, so now you can leave it for half an hour, so let it dry, and that's it. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Kushti.